Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by securing safety gear and positioning the strut. Clamp the gas strut in a vise with protective jaws. Compress slowly to about 1/3 travel so internal pressure evens out. While compressing, support the attached load with a jack or prop to prevent sudden movement. Once the strut is stable at that partial compression, make sure to release any external retainers or clips that block the piston rod. This sequence prevents sudden decompression and keeps the work controlled and safe. You now move into deeper compression with a purpose-built compressor or threaded cap tool. Torque gradually and check travel every turn. If there is a service valve, open it in tiny increments to bleed gas while watching pressure drop on a gauge. Make sure the rod remains aligned so you do not side-load the cylinder. Misalignment can score seals and cause leaks. Once the rod is fully compressed for fitting length, lock the compressor and double-check dimensions against the mount points. You finish by positioning the compressed strut into its mounts, pushing the lower end clip on first, then the upper, so the piston remains shielded. Once both ends are seated, release the compressor slowly while confirming the piston extends smoothly and hardware is tightened to torque spec. Test the mechanism through its full range, watching for binding. If you observe leaking oil, gas escape, or jerky motion, stop and replace the strut or inspect seals. Do not attempt emergency repairs on a failing unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.